We are now following breaking news out of Paris here, where dozens of people have been reported hurt after a gas explosion at the International Fashion and Design School. 24 people reported injured right now, 20 in serious condition, 4 in critical. You can see emergency crews there on the scene. They're still working to put out the remains of that fire. Officials still searching for 2 people, apparently, within that rubble. There's also concerns now about the structural integrity of buildings surrounding this one where the explosion occurred. We'll keep following the story and bring you more details as we get it.